So in this video, I'm going to install AlmaLinux. This is the website. I'm going to be installing this in a virtual machine. Okay, I'm going to select English as the language. This is the installation summary on installation destination. I'll select the drive. I'll click done here. So here you can click on keyboard, and if you would like to change it, you can do so. This is the software selection. So you can choose any one of these. You can choose server, minimal install, workstation. I'm going to select workstation. And these are additional software for selected environments. I'm going to select GNOME applications, remote desktop clients. I'll click done. This is the time and date selection. This is the network selection. This is security profile. So under user settings, I'm going to select root password. I'll type a root password. And there are two options here, lock root account and allow root SSH login with password. I'm going to leave those two unchecked. I'll click done. Click done again. I'll select user creation. I'll create a user account. I'll make this user administrator and require a password to use this account. I'll type a password. There's also advanced. And I'll click on begin installation. Installation is complete. I'm going to click on reboot system. I'll log in. So if you want to take a tour, you can take a tour here. This is show applications, and these are some of the application apps. I'll open Brasero. This is the disk usage analyzer. This is the disk cap. So this is an email client, Evolution. This is a screenshot app. I'll open the system monitor. So I'll open the settings app. This is network. So I can add a VPN. I can add a proxy. This is Bluetooth. This is background. So these are some of the wallpapers. This is notification settings. This is search. So these can be moved up or down. This is online accounts. This is sharing. This is the song settings. And these are some of the alert songs. This is the power settings. This is display settings. This is mouse and touchpad settings. The keyboard settings. This is accessibility. There's also a screen reader.
Screen reader on. Screen reader layout. The screen reader reads displayed text and you move the focus.
This is users. I can add new users here. This is about. So I'll open the Files app. This is the software app. These are all the installed apps. This is updates. And I can also search for apps to install. I'll open a terminal app and I'm going to run an update. I'll type this command, sudo dnf update. So I'm going to install VLC media player. I'm going to type sudo dnf install VLC. I'll open VLC. So this is the characters app. So I'm going to check what's the kernel version. I'm going to type this command. I'll type uname-r. So the kernel version is 5.40. So I'm going to upgrade the kernel version. So to update the kernel version, I have to enable the EL repo, and it gives you an explanation here. So this is the command here. So to update the kernel version, I have to do this as a root user. So I'm going to switch to the root user. I'll type sudo su, and I'm going to paste the command. So I already ran this command before because it says here it's already installed. So I'm going to run this command to install the new kernel version. So it's complete. So I'm going to reboot the computer. I'll open the terminal app. Now I'm going to type uname-r. So now the kernel version is 6.11.9. So this is the AlmaLinux website. And you can download the ISO images here. You can also download it from mirrors. I'll click on download. And these are the download options. So this was just a quick overview of AlmaLinux. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.